Standard 8, Chapter 1, Rational Numbers, Exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Represent these numbers on the number line. Till now you have understood what is number line, negative numbers, positive numbers, 0. But now we are going to show rational numbers on the number line. So let's see the first one. What is the first one given over here? It's 7 upon 4. So we have to show this 7 upon 4 on a number line. So here is the number line which I have drawn. Now what you will do? First you will draw a number line, then we are going to put 0 over here. And simply just you write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to whatever the numerator is given plus 1 or 2 number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then what is the denominator given to you? Write 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 as denominator under all the numbers in the number line. The same way on the left side, for the negative number you will write minus 1, minus 2, and then you write 4 upon 4 upon 4 upon 4. Now you can clearly see where you get your number. So it is over here, 7 upon 4, and then you can show it like this, or you can write a letter that this is point A and it is 7 upon 4. The same way now I think you can do this 5 minus 5 upon 6. How you will do? Simply you will draw a number line and then you will write, now here this is a negative number, so we will write 0 on to the right side, see 0 over here, and then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. And then what is the denominator given over here? You just write down, this is the easiest way to write this, 6, 6, 6 and 6. And the same way on to the right side, 1, 2 and then upon 6 upon 6. Now you can easily find out what is the number that is given us to find on the number line. This is the number, minus 5 upon 6. You can point it out as B, and then you can write that B is the point, that is the number which is given to us to find on the number line. Question 2. Represent minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, minus 9 upon 11 on the number line. Now as I have explained you in the previous two sum, I think you can do, I have kept this space empty. Can you tell me how we will write this? As I have kept 0 on to the right side because all these are negative numbers, so we are going to write down the negative numbers over here. How to write? So let's start with minus 1 from here, then minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11. It's enough. Now upon 11, upon 11, upon 11. Now can you see all these numbers? Yes, this is 2 upon 11, this is over here, see, minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, you can see it very easily over here, and minus 9 upon 11, it's over here. It's so simple. Question 3, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Now there are so many numbers which are smaller than 2. There are infinite positive and negative numbers, rational numbers smaller than 2. Let's see. Example I have given. Smaller than 2 is 1, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 7. 0 is also smaller than 2. Then minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 6, minus 2, minus 3. All these are the rational numbers which are smaller than 2. There are infinite smaller numbers smaller than 2. Question number 4. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. So we have to find out 10 rational numbers between these two numbers, minus 2 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 2. Simply what we are going to do, first of all we are going to write this number, minus 2 upon 5. What I have to do, I have to make the denominator same. by multiplying with a certain number that the denominator becomes same. So I am using 4. So 5 multiplied by 4, that is equals to 20, and if we are multiplying the denominator by 4, we have to multiply the numerator also by 4. So this minus 2 upon 5 becomes minus 8 upon 20, because minus 2 multiplied by 4 is minus 8 and 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. So the first number is now as minus 8 upon 20, and then the second number 1 upon 2, I have to make the denominator same. So if I multiply this by 4 and I got 20, by which number 2 should be multiplied so that I can get 20? So 2 multiplied by 10, that is equals to 20, and when I am multiplying this denominator by 10, I have to multiply the numerator also by 10. So 1 multiplied by 10 is 10 and 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. So I got two numbers that have the same denominator, that is minus 8 upon 20 and 10 upon 20. Now there are so many rational numbers in between this. Now how to write? So therefore 10 rational numbers between minus 8 upon 20 and 10 upon 20 are starting from the next one, minus 7 upon 20, minus 6 upon 20, minus 5 upon 20, minus 4 upon 20, minus 3 upon 20, minus 1 upon 20, then 0, 1 upon 20, 2 upon 20, 3 upon 20, up to 9 upon 20. We have to write up to 1 minus, and from starting we have to write 1 plus. Okay, I think you have understood. So in this kind of sum, you just simply do one thing. You just have to make the denominator same by multiplying it with any number to get the denominator same, and after that you can write the rational numbers from minus 7 to plus 9 upon 20. The next question is again same, but here we have to find 5 rational numbers between. The first is given as 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So we have to find 5 rational numbers in between. Now what you will do? You will make the denominator same by multiplying with a number. You can take any number to make the denominator same. It's not compulsory that I have taken 20 over here, so you will take 20. You can take 40 also to make. You can make the denominator same by taking any number. So the first step over here, 2 upon 3, I have multiplied this denominator by 20, so numerator also by 20. So what the number is going to become? 2 upon 20, that is 40 upon 30 into 20, that is 60. So this is going to become 40 upon 60, and as I got the denominator 60, I have to make this denominator also 60. So if I multiply 5 by 12, I will get 60. So 12 is to be multiplied over with the numerator also 4. So 12 4s are 48 and 12 5s are 60. So you can see both my denominators are now same, and then we can find out the 5 rational numbers. I think you can see it very clear. Starting from 41 to 47, you are going to get 6 rational numbers, and what the question is asking, you have to find 5 rational numbers. See how to write now. So the 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 are 41 upon 60, 42 upon 60, 43 upon 60, 44 upon 60, 45 upon 60, up to 47 upon 60. So you can count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rational numbers we have found out in between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So question number 5, number 2 and number 3 are exact same as number 1. So I have given you as homework. Try to do it by yourself. Now question number 6, write the 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Greater than minus 2. So minus 1 upon 3, minus 1 upon 4, 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, and up to infinite. So these are the 5 rational numbers which are greater than -2. Question number 7. Again it is saying that find 10 rational numbers between 3/5 and 3/4. So what is the key to find the rational numbers in between the given numbers? That you make the denominator same. So by multiplying it with the number which is, you can see over here, 3/5 I have multiplied by 20. So what I am going to get? If 3/5 is multiplied by 20, then this 20 is also multiplied by the numerator. So I got 60/100, and the same way to make this as 100, I have to multiply 4 by 25 and 3 also by 25, so I got 75/100. So I can clearly see that there is a vast gap in between 60 and 70. There are total 13 rational numbers in between these two. And what is the question asking? That find the 10 rational numbers. So now the rational numbers: 61/100, 62/100, 63/100, 64/100, up to 68, and then up to 74/100 are the 10 rational numbers between 3/5 and 3/4. So my dear students, here comes the end of the exercise 1.2 and also the end of the chapter. I hope you have understood this very easily. If you have any doubt, if you have any query, you can ask me.